Hey, I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
I'm Andrew Phillips.
And what's the most important thing on the Upper West Side?
Location, location, location.
Steps from 253 acres of Riverside Park and the beautiful Hudson River right out your door.
186 Riverside Drive was designed by iconic architect Emery Roth and features incredible architectural details. Welcome to Residence 12B. It's a stunning corner 6-room into 5. You'll take your breath away by all this natural light. I'm a weekend baker, but even I can tell this is truly a cook's kitchen. Flooded with natural sunshine, it features granite counters, white subway tile backsplash with a mosaic tile inset. There are custom cabinetry all the way to the ceiling and this beautiful ceramic farm sink. Built for entertaining, there are 2 sinks, an oversized 42-inch fridge with ice maker, and 2 additional monogram refrigerator drawers. Vented?
Did someone say vented? Part of the former staff room is now a laundry area with a commercial-grade washer-dryer that's vented to the outside.
And did we mention the views?
From the dining room.
From the kitchen.
From the primary bedroom.
From the laundry area.
From the powder room.
Even the living room facing the street has wonderful sky and a view of patinaed copper lions across the street.
Don't forget, those lions lead to a side river view too. Andrew, have you ever seen such a pretty windowed primary bath with this over-the-top sensor illuminating medicine cabinet? There's a custom glass shower door, beautiful polished nickel fixtures, a custom vanity, porcelain floors, and wall tiles too. And to top it off, your primary bedroom is a corner with city views and walk-in closets.
And what's great about this oversized second bedroom, the owners had a custom transform bed made so they can use it as a flex space. It really transforms. The second bath also has brushed nickel fixtures with a soaking tub and a custom shower door. The oversized 21 by 13 formal dining room is perfect for entertaining. It's so large that some have divided it and created a home office or guest spots as well. But best of all, there are closets everywhere.
These walk-in closets are the size of some New York City studio apartments, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 of them.
Throughout the home, there are lovely hardwood floors, beam ceilings, glass doorknobs, a French door, and even a linen utility closet big enough for ladders and vacuums.
186 Riverside Drive has a community room, bike storage, and is right off Riverside Drive in the Hudson River.
Near the exciting new Dagon restaurant, Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, and By the Way Bakery, as well as the express trains and more.
In addition to Equinox, Orange Theory, and the Museum of Natural History and Planetarium nearby.
If you'd like a tour of Residence 12B at 186 Riverside Drive,
give us a call or send us an email.
I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.